Now, 27 storm track weather with meteorologist Blaze Keller.
It was a beautiful start to the week, and it's all thanks to the system that's bringing us the clouds now, will bring us the rain throughout the day, and potentially some thunderstorms overnight. We're sitting at 55 degrees, an overcast look there towards the capital in downtown Madison. Dew points, they're starting to climb because of our southerly winds at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. They're continuing to bring up this moisture. We've already seen a couple little bouts of rain. Another round is making its way out of Iowa and Lafayette County, moving into Dane County, Monroe. We're dealing with some of that rain right now. This is all part of a bigger system that's bringing snow to parts of the Dakotas, north, south, and even into parts of Nebraska. But on the warmer side, where we're at, we're actually going to be potentially dealing with some severe weather, dealing with some lightning off towards the cities. 55 in Madison as well as in Mineral Point, 57 for those of us in Janesville. It was, again, a beautiful start to the week. These southerly winds continuing to keep us warm, and look at our dew points. They're starting to climb as well, all kind of getting ready for potentially some thunderstorms later this evening. I don't think we're going to see any severe thunderstorms, but we may get our first rumbles here overnight going into our Thursday. Again, expect the breezy conditions to continue throughout the day. This is a somewhat strong system. It's trying to get its act together. It's a closed low, so it's got the makings for potentially some severe weather off to our north and west. We'll take a look at the severe weather outlook in just a moment, but you can see kind of the different dynamics of this system. You've got 40s in the cities where it's thunderstorming, 50s here in Wisconsin, 60s and even some low 70s in parts of Iowa. And then just over that cold front, you've got upper 30s in Sioux Falls. So they're dealing with the winter weather. We're going to be potentially dealing with some thunderstorms. A marginal risk for anybody here in the green. So take a moment to see if your county is underneath this marginal risk. But notice it's the lowest of the severe weather outlooks put out by the Storm Prediction Center. We find a slight risk off to our north and west. So this just means that maybe we'll see 1-2 severe thunderstorms. The chance isn't that great. And here's the tornado potential well off to our north and west. The chance in our neck of the woods is minimal to none at best. What we may see though as we go overnight is maybe some breezy conditions, which is why we have about a 5% chance for some wind as we go overnight. And here's kind of a timeline really peaking here as we go 9-10 o'clock in the evening over the midnight hour going into Thursday, tapering off by the time we go into your morning commute. So let's walk through future track here. Spotty showers will continue through the rest of your mid to late afternoon. Again, maybe just kind of getting enough to wetten the pavement. But here's that line of thunderstorms moving through western parts of Wisconsin. Kind of time this out to about 8:30. So beginning about 8:39, moving its way eastward with time and then wrapping up by about the midnight hour. With that line of thunderstorms, that's when we could see maybe some gusts upwards of about 40 to 45 miles per hour, as well as hear a few rumbles of thunder. But otherwise, we're not really going to see much out of this system, which is some good news, but it's just a reminder that it is that time of year where we're transitioning out of that severe winter weather mode to now severe spring weather mode. We'll quiet down as we go into your weekend. We'll lose an hour of sleep Sunday, which means we're going to start off next week just an hour sooner, and we'll hang out in those 40s next week.
You know, this is the only time where I really say I enjoy rain because it's a sign of what's to come.
Yes, and my car is going to enjoy the rain because it needs a wash.
Oh, same.
Yes.
Please, thank you.